Hello, welcome to another edition of Smart Approach to Mathematics, where we look, where we study mathematics from the simple part to the hard part. Today, we are going to be looking at fraction. We are going to be looking at fraction, and this class promise to be, you know, comprehensive. When we say fraction, fraction is a part of something. Fraction is a part of something. That means when you have a thing and then you break it down, what you are going to get is going to be a fraction of that thing. For example, if I should remove the cover of this pen, the cover is a fraction of this pen. So what do we mean in real example? Here, let's assume this is an orange and this is one orange. We are going to call it an orange, one orange. By the time I divide it into two, it becomes a fraction. So this is a fraction and this is another fraction. So this one is going to be called 1 out of 2 fractions. That is half. 1 out of 2 fractions. So that means out of these two, this is 1 out of the 2. And this also is going to be 1 out of 2. If I should divide it into 4, I'm going to have 4 fractions. So this one will be 1 out of 4. This fraction will be 1 out of 4. This fraction will be 1 out of 4. And this fraction will be 1 out of 4. If I should pick these two fractions together, they are going to be 2 fractions out of 4. If I should pick these 3 fractions together, they are going to be 3 fractions out of 4. So I hope now you understand the meaning of fraction. That means fraction is a part of a thing. Fraction is a part of a whole thing. After that thing has been divided, then you pick a part. That is what we mean by fraction. And we have different types of fractions, especially 3. We have the proper fractions, we have the improper fractions, and we have the mixed fractions. When we say proper fraction, what do we mean by proper fractions? Proper fractions, let me give you a very good explanation to explain a proper fraction. When we say a proper fraction refers to fractions that are proper, because fraction deals with a number carrying another number. By the time I say 3 all over 7, this is a proper fraction because it is proper for 7, which is a large number, to carry 3, which is a small number. It is proper for a large number to carry 3, which is a small number. But in a case where a large number like 7 is being carried by 3, you know it is not fair. So therefore we call this type of fraction an improper fraction. Do we understand? So a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator. That is what we refer to as a what? As a proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator, or the denominator is greater than the numerator. Therefore, we say such fraction is proper. But when the numerator is greater than the denominator, such fraction is no more proper. For a fraction to be proper, the numerator must be lesser than the denominator. So, with this understanding, you can give other examples of proper fraction and improper fraction. What are other examples of proper fraction and improper fraction? You have 2 all over 5 is an improper fraction. You have 11 all over 15 is an improper fraction. Is a proper fraction rather. Then examples of improper fraction, when you have 8 all over 5 is an improper fraction because it is not proper for 5 to be carrying 8. And then another example of improper fraction is when you have 22 over 7. This is also an improper fraction because it is not proper for 7 to be carrying 22. Do you understand? Now let's come down to the third type of fraction, that is the mixed fraction. When we say a fraction is a mixed fraction, it is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. And we usually determine a mixed fraction from an improper fraction because this fraction is improper. That means by the time 3 is carrying 7, 3 can eventually what? 7 can eventually what? Kill 3. So because of that, we tend to make it to become a proper fraction by reducing the 7. So that what 3 has to carry is not up to 7 anymore. And how do we do that? We'll say we have 3, we have 7 over 3. So what do? We are going to use 3 to divide 7. And how do we do that? We count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we divide it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll discover that we can get 2, 3 in 7. So we are going to have what? What are we going to have as answer? We are going to have 2 whole number, and what is remaining? 1 over 3. Now you are going to see this fraction combining a whole number and a proper fraction. So we have successfully converted this improper fraction to a mixed number to make it proper. Are we together? Then let's also convert this one also to a mixed fraction. We say 8 all over 5. We'll count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And divide it by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle it. That is how many 8? 1. Remainder 3 all over 5. So this is also a what? This is also a mixed fraction which combines a whole number and a proper fraction. So also we can convert this 22 over 7 to a mixed number by counting 22 over 7. By counting 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then we divide it by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many 7 do we add there? We have 3, 7, remainder 1 over 7. So this is another example of a mixed fraction. What is the significance of this? The significance of this is that when you are solving a fractional question, your final answer, if your final answer in any mathematical solution is in fraction, it must either be in a proper fraction or a mixed fraction. You don't leave your final answer in a mathematical solution as an improper fraction. No, it is not possible. It is not right. It is incorrect for you to leave your final answer as an improper fraction. So you have to be able to convert your fraction from improper fraction to a mixed fraction before you can leave your final answer as such. And then also you should be able to convert when you have a mathematical problem For you to be able to solve it effectively, you should be able to convert your fraction from a mixed fraction back to improper fraction. You have to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction to enable you to effectively solve your mathematical solution. Now, we have learned how to convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction. That means we are going to divide. That is how to convert from improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Now, how do we convert from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction? Okay, let's use our question as example. We have 2 whole number 1/3. We want to convert it to an improper fraction. What do? We'll simply multiply the whole number and the denominator, and then we add the numerator. Simply multiply the whole number and the denominator and add the numerator. How do we do that? This is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 means count 2 in 3 places. 2 times 3 means count 2 in 3 places. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. Then you add 1. That is 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, you count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, you count 1. And then you count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 times 3 plus 1 equals to what? 7 over then your denominator, which is 3. So you will discover that from here we arrive at the answer back. Let's look at another one. That is 1 whole number 3/5. Remember what we still do? We multiply 1 times 5 and then we add 3. So 1 times 5 means count 1 in 5 places. Count 1 in 5 places. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is what? 5. Then plus 3. That means we count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we add 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is what? The answer is 8. So 1 times 5 plus 3 gives us 8/5. So you will discover that is exactly how to solve it. Let's look at the last one, which is 3 whole number 1/7. 3 whole number 1/7. How do we solve this? That means, remember how we solve it. We multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the numerator. So that means we'll say 3 times 7 plus 1. So 3 times 7 means count 3 in 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, that is 7. Then we'll count it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 3 times 7 equals to 21, then plus 1. That means we count 21 and we add 1, which will give us what? 22/7. So that is the simple way of converting a mixed fraction to improper fraction. And we have also seen how to convert from improper fraction to a mixed fraction. You can lay hand on any question and solve it, but for the sake of this class, I'm going to give us a question to attempt. I'm going to give us question to attempt. So change the following fractions to mixed fraction. Change the following fraction to mixed fraction. Number 1, 41/7. Number 2, 25/3. Number 3, 37/5. So you can attempt this question. And also you can also do this also. Assignment 2, convert the following mixed fractions to improper fractions. Number 1, 3 whole number 2/5. Number 2, 7 whole number 8/11. Number 3, 2 whole number 5/6. So you can attempt this question. After you attempt the question, leave your answers in the comment section. If you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can put it also in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Thank you. God bless you.